In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a view in M-Files. Now to do this, first you want to open M-Files. I'm using the desktop version right now. And then you want to go anywhere you want where you want to create a new view. You want to right click and you want to click on a new view over here. So when you click on new view over here, you first want to give it a name. So I'm going to name this one test view like this. There we go. And of course you can make it common to all users if you want to or not. And then down here you can of course define different filters if you wanna. You can go and show documents and other objects or not, depending on what you want to achieve. And then from here you have different grouping levels. So I'm just going to keep it as it is by default, but you can of course click on add over here and then go ahead and add how you want to group, and of course hit the OK button, and it's going to add different grouping levels as well. Then you have the advanced mode up top, where of course you can see the location of folders, appearance, etc. And then here you also have the permissions, where of course you can specify those for common views only. Okay, so I'm actually going to keep it like it is. Click on the OK button, and as you can see, there we go, a new view has been created and it's called test view. So I can now double click on it and it's going to give me a bunch of different files. These are just demo files over here, but that's essentially how to create a new view in M-Files. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.